Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is April 8th, 2017. April 9th, 2017. I'm out here on Ripple Lake in Aiken, Minnesota testing another motor. This one here is a 1983 25 horse Evinrude that I recently put back together. Yeah, it's got a much older 25 horse hood on it. I do have the original one. I just thought this one looked a little better. Anyway, on this motor here, it had a bad gear case on it, so I replaced the gear case, resealed that, put a water pump kit in it, replaced all 5 motor mounts on it, converted it to electric start, put a new starter in it, rebuilt the fuel pump on it, thermostat gasket, spark plugs, just general tune-up, carburetor kit, fuel lines, and put a prop on it. So I did a lot of work to this motor, but I'm out here running in the 1968 Lund C14, which is a heavy old boat, and I just did a speed run on it. I got 33 miles an hour, so it really boogies. So I'll give you a little show on this one. Take a little ride across with it. I also put a gut pack in it from early 90s gut pack gear case, all the gear case gears and bearings and everything like that. I got this gear case out of I think it was a 1992 or 1993 28 horse. So it's got the 3-jaw clutch dog and everything in it. So back in the board. Okay, that'll do it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.